Hello friends, welcome to Code Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about constants. So why we need constant? We need constant when we do not want others or ourselves to change existing variable values. So we already know how we declare a variable, how we assign the variable, how we can change the values of a variable. But there will be some conditions in the code where you don't want the value of a variable to be changed. So in that case, you need to make use of this const keyword as we have different keywords like int, string, char, double. So in same way, we have a keyword called const. It stands for constant. So this will declare the variable as constant, which means unchangeable and read only. So once a variable is declared with a const keyword, it cannot be changed. Now let's see in our demo. So here I have a file called constant.cpp. I have a basic headers already included here, then the main function and the return statement. Now let's declare one variable here called int number and assign it a value called 10 and let's print it. Cout number. Now let's say first you assign the value as 10 and then inside our code you change the value of a variable. So if I change the value of variable to 20, so it will get the updated value as 20, right? If I run this code, you will get the message as 20 because initially you have assigned the value 10 and then you change the value to 20. So this is possible, right? But let's say you have a variable called minutes per hour. So let's say you have a one variable minutes per hour. So how many minutes are there in hour? It's 60, right? So I will have the value here 60. Now let's say someone change this value. So in our code, you change it to 20 and you need to print this minute per hours only now. Okay. Now here you are able to change the value of minutes per hour, right? If I run this code, you will get the output as 20, but you don't want this. You want this particular value to be fixed because there are only 60 minutes in an hour, right? But how we can do this? So as we have seen, we need to make use of a keyword called const. So here, what you can do, you can provide here a variable called const. Okay. Now, once you provide here a variable called const, this particular variable will become as a constant. So its value cannot be changed. And if you try to change it, for example, on line 6, we are trying to change the value from 60 to 20. So it's giving us error. What does it say? Expression must be a modifiable value. So now it's a constant. You cannot change it. If I remove the keyword constant, it will not give us an error because now it's a normal variable. But once you have a const here, it will not allow us to change the value here. So we cannot change the value once you declare a constant keyword. So always remember when you have a requirement, when you don't want to change the variable value, so you can make use of a const. Another example we can take is of storing the value of a pi. So as the value of a pi is fixed, right? It is 3.14. I need to make use of a double data type, then the name of variable as pi, and then the value as 3.14, end it with a semicolon. Now we can change this value to anything. So if I say pi is equal to 6, but this is not correct, right? Pi does not have a value as 6, but we can do it if we declare a normal variable. But if I declare it with a const, so it will become a constant. And now we cannot change the value of a pi, right? So whenever you have a requirement, you can make use of this const keyword.